What's up guys, today I'm gonna be showing you exactly how to get 500 followers in just 3 minutes. But before we start this video, make sure to watch this whole video because somewhere in the video I'm gonna be showing you how to get 1000 followers in just 5 minutes. Yes, you heard it right, I said 5 minutes. So make sure to watch this whole video. Let's get started right now. As I said before, I'm gonna show you guys how to gain 500 active followers on TikTok extremely quick. Now before I dive right into the video, I just want to mention that I already have a video here that talks all about how to get a lot of views on TikTok. You can check it out, the link is in the description, but don't watch it now, watch it once you finish this video. As you can see guys, I have over 7,000 followers. I got most of these followers by the trick that I'm about to show you guys right now. So let's get started right now. So what you wanna do guys, you wanna follow these popular profiles that you see on the screen. Type the names of these popular profiles in the search bar and make sure to follow them all. I'm gonna start following them. The first name is Charli D'Amelio. I hope I pronounced her name correctly. Go ahead and follow her, okay? Once you follow her, you wanna go back and you wanna follow Zach King. So once you follow him, you wanna go back again and you wanna do the same thing. You wanna follow Addison Rae. This is exactly guys what I do to get a lot of followers. So make sure to do the same thing and you will get a lot of followers. So once you follow Addison Rae, you wanna follow Lauren Gray. I don't know again if I pronounced her name correctly. Anyway, make sure to follow her and like I said, go back to the search bar and follow Riaz. This is a TikToker from India, so make sure to follow him. Follow him and then again go back to the search bar and follow Spencer X. Spencer X. Like I said guys, you have to follow all these popular TikTokers that you see on the screen, so make sure to follow them all. So once you follow Spencer X, you wanna go back again and follow Michael. Go back again and then follow Baby Ariel. Okay guys, once you follow her, you wanna go back again and click on me. You wanna click on me and then click on following. I'm gonna click on me now, and what you wanna do guys, you wanna click on following. Okay guys, once you click on following, you wanna unfollow all these popular TikTokers and you wanna wait like 5 seconds or 10 seconds and you wanna follow them again. This is exactly what I do to get like 7,000 followers, as I told you guys, as you saw in the at the beginning of this video. So you wanna wait 5 seconds or 10 seconds and you wanna unfollow them again. I'm gonna start unfollowing them and I'm gonna wait, like I said, 5 seconds to 10 seconds and you wanna follow them again. I'm gonna start following them. Like I said guys, you have to do this between 3 times to 5 times, okay? So you wanna wait, like I said, 5 seconds and then again unfollow them again. The reason guys why this trick works is because a lot of people, a lot of fans will follow people who follow their favorite TikTokers or their favorite creator. That's the reason why you get followers when you follow popular TikTokers, because their fans love when the CEO follow their favorite TikToker. I hope it makes sense. Anyway, like I said, guys, you have to wait 5 seconds and you wanna unfollow them again. I'm gonna speed up this video. Okay guys, what you wanna do, you wanna click on inbox and you will see a lot of people are following you. If this works, please drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to get a lot of followers, like 1000 followers in just 5 minutes, click on the video on the screen and you will learn exactly how to get 1000 followers in just 5 minutes. If you guys enjoyed this video, like I said, please drop a like and see you guys in the next video.